Got a P0441 code and was wondering what it means? This means your car detected incorrect purge flow in the evaporative emission control system. It sounds complicated, but this is one of the most common check engine codes, and most drivers fix it without spending more than a few dollars. Here is exactly what causes it and how to fix each one. Loose or faulty gas cap. The gas cap seals the fuel tank from outside air and maintains the Evap system's pressure during the PCM's self-test cycle. When it is loose, cracked, or has a worn seal, the system cannot build or hold pressure. The PCM detects incorrect purge flow as a result of the open path and logs, P0441. You will not feel any change in how the car drives, but the check engine light stays on. A replacement gas cap costs between $4 and $10 at any auto parts counter. Remove the gas cap and inspect the rubber O-ring seal on the inside face. If the seal looks cracked, compressed flat, or hard to the touch, replace the cap. Reinstall the new cap and tighten it until you hear 2 or 3 distinct clicks. Clear the P0441 code with your OBD2 scanner and drive for 2 complete warm-up cycles before checking whether the code returns. A loose gas cap resolves this code in a significant percentage of cases. Stuck purge control valve. The purge control valve sits on the engine side of the Evap system, between the charcoal canister and the intake manifold. Its job is to open on PCM command during warm engine operation to draw stored fuel vapors from the canister into the intake to be burned. When this valve sticks open, vapors continuously purge regardless of operating conditions and the flow becomes uncontrolled. When it sticks closed, no purge flow occurs at all. Either condition causes the PCM to detect incorrect purge flow and store P0441. A rough idle is a common secondary symptom when the valve sticks open. A replacement purge valve costs between $10 and $30. With the engine cold and the ignition off, disconnect the vacuum hose from the purge valve and try blowing air through the valve with your mouth. When unpowered, the valve should block airflow completely. If air passes through freely without any electrical signal applied, the valve is stuck open and must be replaced. You can also use a hand vacuum pump to apply vacuum to the valve and confirm it holds without leaking down. Disconnected Evap hose. The EVAP system connects the gas tank, charcoal canister, purge valve, and intake manifold through a series of rubber and plastic hoses and lines. Their job is to route fuel vapors in a controlled, sealed path. When any hose cracks, disconnects, or collapses, the purge flow rate changes and P0441 is stored. Replacement hose costs just a few dollars per foot. With the engine off, trace each Evap hose from the purge valve under the hood back toward the charcoal canister. Flex each rubber section between your fingers. Any hose that cracks or feels stiff and brittle needs replacement. Look for hoses that have pulled off their fittings completely, especially near the purge valve and the canister itself where hose connections are most frequently disturbed during engine bay work. Faulty vent control valve. The vent valve is the atmospheric side of the Evap system and mounts on or near the charcoal canister. Its job is to seal the canister during the PCM's pressure test while allowing fresh air to flow in during normal purge cycles. When this valve sticks, purge flow cannot operate normally. A stuck closed vent valve causes a noticeable vacuum pop when you remove the gas cap. Replacement vent valves cost between $8 and $25. Locate the vent valve on or near the charcoal canister. Disconnect it and blow air through it in the canister direction. The valve should pass air freely when unpowered since it defaults to open on most applications. Then apply 12 volts from a battery directly to the valve terminals while blowing again. It should now block airflow completely when energized. If it fails either test, the valve is defective and needs replacement. Saturated charcoal canister. The charcoal canister stores fuel vapors absorbed from the gas tank using activated charcoal pellets inside a plastic housing. Its job is to hold those vapors until operating conditions allow the purge valve to draw them into the engine. When the housing cracks, the system cannot maintain correct flow. Repeated overfilling saturates the charcoal and destroys absorption capacity. A replacement canister costs between $20 and $60. Locate the charcoal canister near the fuel tank or along the frame rail under the vehicle. Inspect the plastic housing for visible cracks, broken fittings, or areas of impact damage. Shake the canister gently next to your ear and listen for liquid sloshing. Any sloshing confirms the canister has been flooded with raw fuel and has lost its absorption function. A flooded canister must be replaced since the saturated charcoal cannot be dried and restored. Bad tank sensor. The fuel tank pressure sensor monitors internal fuel tank pressure as part of the Evap system's self-monitoring cycle. Its job is to report accurate pressure readings so the PCM can evaluate whether the system is holding vacuum properly during testing. When this sensor sends incorrect readings, the PCM misinterprets normal system behavior as incorrect purge flow and stores P0441 based on bad data rather than an actual leak or valve failure. A replacement fuel tank pressure sensor costs between $10 and $40 depending on the application. Connect your scanner and check the fuel tank pressure sensor reading in the live data stream. Start the engine and watch the reading over a few minutes. Normal values should vary within a small defined range as the system self-tests. A reading stuck at exactly 0, a reading that jumps to maximum immediately, or a reading that never changes regardless of operating conditions all indicate the sensor has failed and is feeding false data to the PCM. Fault in the EVAP circuit. The wiring harness and connectors serving the purge, valve, vent valve, and fuel tank pressure sensor can corrode, crack, or lose contact over time on high-mileage vehicles. A wiring fault causes incorrect valve operation and incorrect sensor data, triggering P0441 even when all physical EVAP components are in good condition. Inspect each connector in the EVAP circuit for green corrosion on pins, broken wires at connector attachment points, and terminals that have backed out of their connector body. A replacement pigtail connector costs just a few dollars. With the engine running, use a multimeter set to DC voltage and check for reference voltage at the purge valve electrical connector. You should measure close to battery voltage at the power supply terminal with the key on. No voltage at that terminal indicates an open circuit or blown fuse upstream of the valve. Check the Evap system fuse in your fuse box diagram and replace it if blown before pursuing any component replacement.